In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see notes in HubSpot. First, you need to sign in to HubSpot. This is your gateway to accessing all the features available in the platform. You will be greeted by the dashboard once you enter your credentials. It is essential to ensure that you use the correct email and password associated with your HubSpot account. If you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, double-check your credentials. This initial step is crucial because it protects your account and ensures that you can efficiently manage your customer relationships. Once you are signed in, the next step is to go to CRM. Look for the CRM option on the main navigation bar. This section is where you will manage your contacts, deals, and other important records. By selecting CRM, you are getting into the heart of HubSpot's customer relationship management tools. This step matters because it organizes your data effectively, allowing you to focus on the right information to enhance your business operations. Now, you will need to select the record type. HubSpot allows you to manage various types of records such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Each type serves a specific purpose within your management process. For instance, if you want to view notes related to a specific person, you would select contacts. If you are interested in a company's notes, then you would choose companies. This step is necessary as it ensures you are looking at the correct information relevant to your current needs. After selecting the record type, click the record you want to view. The records will populate based on the type you previously selected. You will see a list of entries that correspond to your selection. Clicking on the desired record will take you deeper into the details. This action allows you to access specific notes and activities tied to that record. It is an essential step for retrieving the information you need without any hassle. In the middle of the record page, find the activity timeline. This timeline is a comprehensive overview of all interactions and notes associated with the selected record. It includes emails, calls, and, importantly, notes. The activity timeline is designed to give you a quick glance at everything that has happened with that particular record. Knowing where to find this timeline is vital as it saves you time and helps keep track of your communications. Next, click the Filter Activity dropdown. This dropdown allows you to customize the view of the activity timeline. It may show various activity types by default. By using the filter, you can narrow down the view to show only the notes. This is particularly useful when you want to focus solely on the notes without other distractions. It enhances your ability to manage your data effectively and keeps your workflow streamlined. Now, select Notes from the drop-down menu. This action will filter the timeline to show only the notes related to the record you are viewing. Once you select this option, the timeline will refresh and you will immediately see only the notes that have been recorded. This clarity is essential for understanding your interactions with clients or prospects. Finally, your notes will appear in the timeline. You will now have a clear view of all notes associated with that specific record. This makes it easy to review past interactions and insights. It also helps in making informed decisions in your follow-up actions. You can feel confident knowing that you have direct access to all relevant notes related to your business interactions. This process is straightforward and ensures you stay organized within HubSpot. Following these steps will help you efficiently manage your customer relationships and keep track of essential communications.